Hello friends, my name is Madhusudan Kandule and I am having experience of 38 years experience into network industry. I have recently joined Phyto Atomy a year back and I want to give you a very good presentation of business plan presentation of Phyto Atomy, which could be changing your horizons. So let me start my explanation, please be there till the end. To know the plan and to know the presentation, we need to go to business system first, and we have seen how business system works out in India. So it's a traditional business. Here, any consumer would have to take a product not from the manufacturer, but he will take from a retailer, and retailer will always get their product from a different kind of wholesalers, and wholesalers will get from local distributor will get from regional distributor, national distributor, and C&F agents. This middlemen are increasing the cost of a consumer's product or product cost of the product, where you could see advertisement is another thing which is multiplying your expenses. Why? How? And we see that all these people are very much film stars or cricket stars or something like that, and they take a huge fees to give a small advertisement, and where this advertisement again dependent upon the TV media and all, when you see the cost of the product or the cost of the product is ever increasing, where the consumer has to pay, and now nobody pays because it's their business but consumers need. And when we see the research has been done in America, US, and that is 80 years back they have started a direct selling system, and they have eliminated all these middlemen, and they have started this doing business with all the people who are consumers and customers. They are calling them as an independent distributor, and everybody depending upon their skill is putting their efforts on either distributing, putting efforts on advertisement, or putting efforts on the distribution of the product. So this way company is supporting them, and this way they are associated with the company, and company have a beautiful decision plan to earn their earnings. And this is what a business system in direct selling system. And again, I would like to tell you, Phyto Atomy Private Limited has come into India with a new version of 2.0, a direct selling system. Here, certificate of recognition you are seeing on the screen. There is a Startup India certificate, and here a company has only two objectives, and the first objective is something like all the merchants, traders, businessmen, and everyone into this trade line has to procure the products from some or the other way. Company promises to give them the product at manufacturing rates. And second is the people like you and me, a lot of people of consumers who are putting their efforts into this business, and the company is going to take care of their wealth creation. It is unlikely something like we get commissions from other companies, but they are not depending upon the unique system, where we could see the unique system into the Phyto Atomy. So features of Phyto Atomy I could like to tell you in a nutshell. On the first time in India, you are going to see a direct selling version 2.0. Otherwise, what would have happened? All those 4,000 and 4,000 companies which are ready available with the government of India right now, they are having an idea of buying or manufacturing a product of 100 rupees and selling at 1,000 rupees, which is not at all a direct selling system, I could say. Sir, then again, company has another feather in the cap. We could say 15,000 products company wanted to do the business with, and these are all again available at manufacturing cost. I'll show you the slide where you would see exactly what manufacturing cost means. This is B2B concept. None other company, I'll tell you, the product which you take to the B2B or a businessman, you take it to any supermarket or kirana shop person, he'll not buy because of the lesser margins, and he'll also say that your product has no guarantee or no quality guarantee or satisfaction guarantee. Where we could say that we are now providing a huge margin, and it's again useful for a B2B concept or B2B system. I could say that this product is again available because a lot of people are habituated to log on to something like Amazon and Flipkart and something like that. Their daily needs are coming to them, or they are purchasing their lot of products into Amazon and Flipkart. The same vendors or the same partners or delivery partners, we are hiring them in the e-commerce module, and the same product you will be getting another 3 to 4 days from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Any place you name, you will be delivered the product by 3 to 4 days. What is the system of desk remuneration calculation? Here, binary is meant for a solid income and generation the hybrid plan is meant for a longevity of the business, where you would say it can stand hundreds and hundreds of years, because it's again mathematical calculation, my dear friend, and where Tata also sells some product, maybe there are different products, but he sells some product and he also gets his commission or also gets his earning on the balance sheet or sales only. Even Mukesh Bhai Ambani does the same thing. Mukesh Bhai Ambani sells his Jio plan everywhere and everybody is attracted with the Jio plan, and a huge turnover is done. He handles the money of a lot of people and then he earns something which is outstanding. We are now getting a 90% of the remuneration on both the plans of wonderful life-changing rewarding system. How's that? When this point comes, I will tell you how other companies are, you holding your money on a system of reward. Now, when we say you can handle your money very efficiently, why we handle your money is our plain and simple thought, and which is very much practical. And hats off to the Phyto Atomy management, because they are very practical. Now I straightly go to a calculation, to a formula how we derive at a product or the cost of the product. Here you are seeing Phyto Atomy is what you call a noni, superberry is noni, and this product is again miraculous product, and it is known and a word of mouth to everybody. Now I'll take this cost at production level, where it is getting manufactured. At production level, you see the cost of bottle is then considered. Every minor expenditure is calculated. So cost of bottle, then cost of label, then cost of liquid inside, or cost of product, or cost of packing. Then it is again sealed with a cap, and then it is given a cup also, and then it is put into a carton, and then it is put into a master carton, and government excise inspector will charge some excise tax there. When the excise tax is collected, when suppose I put an order for something like Pune, Bombay or Lucknow or some other place, the cost of transportation again is considered, and when the transport cost is considered, then it comes to a distribution level where cost of transportation, cost of depot. Now commission, depot commission also is a criteria where depot should get something to get this product handled. Then it is going to the mart, where mart is a final stage of distribution level, where people come and buy their product and get their billing done. And commission of mart, where of course he should get something, and then you and me, whenever we go, we should be incentivized because of this commission only. We are doing network commission or network business. So then we buy something and we get a commission. Then again government again comes into the picture, and GST taxes. We need to deposit the GST tax, and then comes companies a bit of profit, and then the same product of now which is costing you 1500 1600 in the market, their Phyto Atomy's cost is 800, and we have calculated all these factors, and we have planned to give you this cost at 210 rupees only. See, the difference between 210 and 800 is something like 600, which you can calculate something like whooping margin of something like 300%, or we can calculate this to 200, say 800 minus 200 is something like 600 rupees, and 600 is not a small amount. We could say lot of people will be attracted to the pattern of the business. Now I am giving you some more examples where herbal toothpaste, any kind of herbal toothpaste which is again manufactured at spare capacity, some other manufacturing units, where MRP of 135 rupees you will be getting, and the size of the toothpaste is 150 grams. No other company is going to give you at this rate. Why? Because the other companies are planning on the two products, which is MRP and DP. Whereas we at Phyto Atomy have three product rates, and which is MRP, DP, and the third one is Phytomy Wallet, and this Phytomy Wallet is again helpful for you to again lessen the cost of the product at your end. So this way 135 rupees product you are going to get at 55 rupees, and the same way charcoal toothpaste you are getting 135 rupees toothpaste you are getting at 79 rupees, and a wonderful 550 rupees Sea Bagadan face wash you are getting at 159 rupees. Look at the variation and look at the money you are saving. 275 rupees Tulsi drop, which is very wonderfully worked out in the Corona and COVID period and all. Lot of companies have sold their product at 180, 190 rupees at DP cost, and where we are selling at just 40 rupees at our distributor's cost. Look at the margin where any supplier or any what do you call a shopkeeper will be enjoying the margin into this. The Nouri Women's Health, it's health for women and girls, you would say, because of the lot many changes, hormonal changes. The cost of 275 rupees will go to 55 rupees, and this normally because of the cost and all, lot of ladies are deprived of such product, and because of Phyto Atomy, I can say, because of Phyto Atomy, now they can just join, and the Phyto Atomy, the cost is 55 rupees, they can buy and keep their health in a good, very good condition. The bathing bar is 45 rupees, you will be getting at 25 rupees, and here MRP 800 rupees green tea to maintain your health, and again to just a slimming tablet, you can take it at 150 rupees. Likewise, we have got 15 categories, and just take a look at the 15 categories. Some are signature product, and to make the video very short, I will be talking you very fast or faster pace. Fragrances, and these are attars and fragrances imported from Iran and Iraq. Food and beverages, you can take organic farming, color cosmetics and art and craft. You will never find any direct selling products menu. Fashion, and then paints and equipment, health and supplements, and then lighting and kitchen hardware and whatnot. Energized gemstone, electrical appliances, maybe ACs, fridges, geysers and everything, toys, veterinary, automobile products, decor and industrial product, security, artificial jewelry, plumbing and pharmaceutical product and pet care. Dear friends, 15,000 a hell of a lot of product. When you see around you, all these products you might be needing on a daily basis, or some product you will be needing at a weekly basis, or some product you will be needing at a monthly basis also. But unless until this product, you don't have this product, you will not be going any day ahead. Friends, unless until we have a kitchen's entry, when you step into a kitchen, you have to have this all kind of things. Where rice bran oil, idli rava, chekki fresh atta, HMT rice, and a lot many things I am showing you on a clip are all coming out within a shorter period, and this is again depot to depot, it will vary, but all these products, 150 items of a kitchen, you will be any women or any housewife would be requiring at any moment of time. So these are the all products which we are delivering in our direct selling system. Then again, a company is having a big vision, so they are having, they've tied up with a football company, which is again UAE based company, dealing in lubricant oils. Friends, lubricant oil, this company is doing, football is doing in 39 countries from 30 years of a period. And now they have joined with Phyto Atomy, and Phyto Atomy has excellently brought this, especially for you, on two platforms. When you buy this product, you will be getting at a discount price, RBV price, and a second one, you can again motivate somebody to establish a shop where he can sell this product at a traditional level. He can supply it to the mechanics, he can supply it to any type of garages, smaller or bigger, or even any kind of car garages and all. Officially speaking, this product is in a high volatility, very high turnover kind of thing, where the margins are less. But here you have a huge margin. To know this, we'll have to have a very important discussion on this. So now we go to this business, how to start this business. There are three kinds of levels to start this business. One is smaller level, or you could say kind of first level, and second level is again a Bravo kind of thing, and third level is again Alpha kind of thing. So let us start with the smaller kind of version, and where the name is Charlie, where you need to buy the products at 2,500 SBV. SBV is what? The startup business volume. Any business, when you start, as per government guidelines or government rules, the joining should be free. So you are placing an ID should be free. But when it comes to monetary kind of things and monetary kind of remuneration, then you need to buy out something, and that's called as activation. When you activate your ID with 2,500 SBV, something like 2,875 rupees to 4,000 rupees you need to spend, and then you get an ID which is activated. Then your activated ID will show you 2,500 SBV, and you will be getting again when you join your some friend, then you will be getting a cash back of rupees 30%, which is 750, which I can challenge you, no company is giving, because all are binary. When 10,000 and 15,000, you get at 325 or 234 rupees. It depends upon the point value, and there is a lot of water going into it. Next benefit or next point is you will be getting 7% matching. It's again a binary kind of thing. When you work out on a one leg, and when you work out, your partner work out on a leg, second leg, You get a 7% on 2,500, which is again 175 rupees, and 175 is no capping, no ceiling at all. You can go to any extent, to any end of it. And then the third income I could say is 20% sponsor binary on the direct. If you have direct connections and if you have that particular acumen and skill of handling people, then you could keep on joining directly and under your bannership, under your system. Whatever they are earning, whatever they earn on the binary, that binary is again calculated at 20% on your income. That 20% you'll be getting on their income is not an ordinary income. You can say it is a flagship income kind of thing. Then you get 2,500 wallet. This Phyto Atomy wallet, every time you join one person, you'll be getting monthly 2,500. Phyto Atomy wallet is topped up into your account. And now you say you go to some second account, second activation kind of thing. It's a middle class type of thing. And Bravo needs 12,500 SBV, or you need to pump in something like 14,000 to 18,000 or 28,000, something like that, depending upon your choice of the product, but depending upon your kind of volume you want to invest into. So 12,000 SBV, we have a benchmark on this, or this is an index price. Then your 30% cashback come to you when you join on this particular level, on this particular product. So 3,750 will be accounted to, credited to your account. Then you have a 1% more on a matching kind of thing, 8% you will be getting, and 20% sponsor binary, a flagship bonus, I could say, a victory all the times, all the way, 15,000 Phyto Atomy discount cash. Now you can also come out with an idea that 15,000 Phyto Atomy I don't need. Gentlemen, I would like to tell 15,000 Phyto Atomy cash is just you can make popular or make a branding of this product. You know, you help your friends to get this product at a lesser cost, where people will be realizing how you are doing it. Then you can give demos to all those kirana shop and general shops and all those kind of retailers, where you could show them this is how the system works, and then you can also retail this product at a higher price, or the MRP price cost to other people. Then the third cost and the ultimate kind of thing is coming to you. This is alpha, and alpha 37,500 SBV, which means it will ask you for 45,000 to 97,000 depending upon your product. The choice is very open of yours. Now you can buy alkaline water ionizer, energy and alkaline water ionizer at 97,500, and which no company, I challenge, I bet no company is going to deliver at this cost. So now here, when you get 37,500 SBV, join somebody, you are going to get 11,250 rupees into your account, and then you have a binary matching of 9%. Again, I'll tell you, no capping and no kind of speed breakers here. You can earn unlimited out of it. 9% after 9%, 20% of sponsor binary, which is again a very flagship, as I declared and I told you, and then 50,000 Phyto Atomy discount cash. This is the only Phyto Atomy wallet which will bring down the cost of your product from a particular rate to a very less rate. All these shopkeepers would like to join with only alpha, because they will be buying bulk and they will be selling bulk, because they are into selling industry. Friends, I will take about to the company's plan now, where company is planning in a very beautiful way, and which is focusing on the consumers and customers on the first basis. Here, any consumer or customer or whosoever joins into this industry only has to purchase 750 RBV, again business volume points. When he joins and continuously buys for 3 months, and a 4th month onward, he will be getting 1,000 rupees DP cost of product to his home delivered, which it will come by post or by courier or something like that. It is home delivered. This way, 750 to 12 months is something like 9,000 rupees, and when you calculate, the company is again from 4th month onwards to the 12th month, again 9,000 rupees is being distributed or being gifted by a company to a consumer like me and you. See, any company is not going to, any multinational is not going to give you a discount about this. So this is the only company which is again giving this gift, and the whole business depends upon this system. Now when I calculate, or when I start telling you about the starter bonus, this starter bonus is 2,500 and 2,000 for the first step of your success. When you calculate 2,500 on the left and 2,500 on the right, how do you arrive? This is a simple question. When you have 750 doing people on the left, on three people on the left and 3 people on the right, or 4 people on the right, or another petty purchases, you will be arriving on 2,500. And exactly when the company's income slab has not started, but on offer side you will be getting 300 rupees on that particular month. Then on a third point, this is consistency. When you do it this way regularly on the next month also for 2 months, then you will be getting at 500 rupees. And a fourth point, when you arrive at 5,000 and 5,000 in a whole month, where before 15, there is not many people are 750 RBV doing their purchasing before that, and now your 5,000 is making very rich easy. Then you will be having 1,100 rupees of income. And then fifth point, when you consistency you do it, this is called a good luck bonus point. And when this good luck bonus point is also shelling down another 500 bucks extra, so you will be getting 1,600 rupees in your pocket. And now, sorry for that. Fast track leadership bonus, development bonus, you could say, company has very taken initiative to start this, and this is a very wonderful sixth point. When you complete your 12,500 and 12,500 on both the sides, company's total turnover, company is taking out 9% of the company's total turnover and is again distributed on the FT-LDV leaders only. It is not again point value. So who are the leaders? They will be getting this point distributed among them. This could be something like 2,000 or about 2,500. Then seventh point, when your team is increasing and when your business is increasing, definitely you will be going on a higher slab, and this is only the business. 25,000 and 25,000 left hand or 25,000 right, you could say this is a monthly RBV. When you calculate, and then again company 7% is taken out for only these particular leaders, and 7% is equally distributed among these people. 8th point is again super LDV or super leadership development bonus point, where sorry for that, 50,000 left and 50,000 right, you will be getting another 5% from the company's total turnover. Dear friends, please observe what company is doing. Total turnover, you could be somewhere in any place of this in India, but you will be getting all of the India's total business volume, and then you could be on a winning side, and this is the only kind of business when you even sleep and your businesses are going on and your money is multiplying. Then we start out for the business, which is performance bonus, the first slab of the bonus. On my left you could say, on your left you could say total business volume, and right you could say performance bonus slab of percentage. Now here 1 rupee to 4,900 rupee, you could say 8%, this is your slab. Whatever you buy, you get a 8% discount. But this is the difference, 5,000 to 9,999, 10%. And likewise, when I talk to you about 1,70,000 and 2 lakh rupees slab, which is 22%, when you purchase for yourself, it is 22% discount you will be getting. And people who are doing beneath you are a left and a right side, what you are going to get is a gap commission or overriding on their particular business. Their commission is paid to them, and whatever leftover is there, it is coming to you, and it's again depending upon your performance. So name is again performance bonus. Then it's again a leadership development bonus. Total company 7%, we have already discussed, but it's again by picture I could say 25,000 people doing into left and 25,000 points people doing on the right. You get 1 LDV point, and likewise you can earn lot many points depending upon the speed of the business. Then you get super LDV point, where 5% company's turnover is being distributed among them, where you have done nothing extra than what you have done earlier. So 25,000 you are doing, so to 50,000 you have already, and 50,000 also you are going to get 1 LDV point extra, and which is again effortlessly you will be going to get this kind of incomes. Now here, a lot of companies say that royalty is good kind of income when you get it through your life. It's with you and without you, to your children, to your wives and families and all. When you do 1 lakh into 1 lakh and 50,000 on other lakh, you will be getting 3% of the royalty. Likewise, you see, this is something like 15 lakhs and 12 lakh and 50,000. We could see 17% of royalty is being distributed, and my dear friends, this comes only on the sales. Now, company 6%, company's turnover, I could say, this is again feather in the cap, and now whenever you do, you talk like a businessman, and now you see not only daily sales, but you see how much business my team is doing, and now this is the only way you could go, and you can get smaller amount, something like 1.5% to 0.5%, but a huge turnover, you will be getting this percentage, and that's again amounting to lakhs of rupees. Now I'll be closing down very soon, but the last and not but the least is reward bonus, where I'll tell you the difference between the other companies and this company. Now one point is costing you 1,250 on the left and 1,250 on the right. But company starts here with only 2 points. It means you need to do 2,500 on the left and 2,500 on the right. When you do it, another 30 days, you'll be getting 150 rupees reward. Any big banyan tree also starts with a very soft and tiny 2 leaves and 150 rupees. And still company says, whenever it is not possible for you within complete the stipulated period, still I'll be paying you 65 rupees. This is another feature of Phyto Atomy. Friends, I'll be telling you about the number 5, where you got no 100 points you and your team has done. And now within these 60 days, when you have arrived at this complication and arrived at this combination, then you will be getting 7,500 rupees into your account. Specialty of this income is it is calculated up to 31st or 30th of the month, and you will be getting this payment on every 10th of every month, next preceding month. So 7,500 you're going to get. If you miss it, 2,000 rupees you're going to get. And now I want to, this is again including trend, but I would like to take you to 17th point, which is my favorite point, and I'll tell you, as your team is growing, you are into one of the biggest volcano of sales, you could say. And when you see 75,000 points from your team, and then in 180 days, you do it in 180 days, your account will be credited by 1 crore of rupees on 10th. But still you miss out, or when something happens and something you miss out, but still company says 25 lakhs are yours, and it will become, it will come onto your the same day on the 10th of every month. Now likewise, when I calculate, see with the figure, and when I calculate it in time rupees, and the total of the last figure is something like 7 crores of rupees. When you make a total of in time total, that is 33 crores of rupees. And out time, whenever you go to a station to board a train or something like that, and you see that your train is going fast, you cannot catch this. And now here, railway department is not going to return your ticket because it's already booked. But here, still my company says, Phyto Atomy says, you have missed it, my dear friend. You do not have to worry. I will be giving you something like 10 crores of rupees. I challenge you, my friends. When it is only on sense, why to worry? This sense will then take it to excellence. When we talk about excellence, you talk about the sales, and when we talk about the sales, we talk about the excellence. You become number 1, and all this money is yours, and is again coming to you on a very kind of competitive kind of thing. You earn it. You put all your effort and you earn it. So thank you very much for with this. And I would like to close this because of the time. I would not like to take much of your time. So thank you very much. And whatever questions or doubts or clarities you want to, my phone number is available at the starting and the end. You can come join me, and we do a great things abroad. Very well. Thank you. Happy earnings to you. Bye bye.